Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. I just received a Valentine's Day gift from my fiance. And so I want to show you guys this box. I think it's going to be really cool. And I haven't looked in it yet, but I'll open it up with you guys and we'll do a little bit of an unboxing. The box came from Snake River Farms, and they're known for having some amazing steaks, beef, and other products. They are one of the pioneers of American Wagyu, and I want to show you guys what's in this box. Let's look. Okay, so I just opened the box. They've got it packed in this heavy insulation, dry, still very cold. Oh man. Okay, so I got this bag out of the box. When you order from Snake River Farms, they send you your product in this beautiful insulated cooler bag. You can save this and use this as a lunch bag, or take this when you go tailgating or whatever. So don't throw this away if you order from them. Keep it and use it because it is reusable. So let's see what's on the inside. It's got this nice zipper on the top. Yes, 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 yes. So what we've got here is picanha. On their website, Snake River Farms has this listed as boneless Colette, but this particular cut of beef was made famous by Sous Vide Everything and Google Eats. So shout out to Google. He's a big time YouTuber, and his channel Sous Vide Everything and Google Eats is doing really well. So they made this famous. Love having this in my pantry now, in my freezer, and I can't wait to cook this and show you guys how I do picanha. Let's see what else is in the bag. Oh, yes, a prime ribeye steak. This is 1.5 inches. See the marbling? You can't beat that type of marbling. That's why you order from a place like Snake River Farms. I also see in here, oh yes, this is a gold grade boneless filet mignon. This is their American Wagyu gold grade. This is beautiful. Look at the marbling on that steak, right? And normally filet mignon doesn't have a lot of flavor, but I've had their American Wagyu fillets before, and they are full of flavor. They're full of beef flavor. So this is going to be delicious too. All right. Look at that. She got some, she got another ribeye here. This is awesome. Another prime ribeye. And I see quite a few New York strips in here too. Yep. This is boneless New York strip. This is choice grade. But even with choice, right, you still see the beautiful marbling. This cow lived a very happy life, you can tell. Look at that, guys. Beautiful New York strips. And there's a few more in here, so I'm not gonna take them all out. I just want to show you what was in the bag, what was in the box. This came from Snake River Farms, American Wagyu beef proprietors. These guys do beef right. And I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. And apparently this is how my fiance does Valentine's Day. I hope you guys take care. Can't wait to do these steaks for you on the channel, show you some great recipes. But yeah, if you're looking for something great to get a friend or a loved one who enjoys steaks or who makes you a great steak, then yeah, go over to Snake River Farms, the pioneers of American Wagyu beef, and give them an order. And no, this is not an advertisement or a commercial, but man, maybe it should be. So hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. You take care.